What's up? Yeah, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty whoop, whoop, with the Dirt Man, and we're doing a classic recipe that nobody knows about but us and my family, and that is called dirty garlic bread. Oh my goodness, if you like garlic bread, this is the one to try. This recipe is so simple, as most garlic bread is. We're going to use fresh butter, we got garlic, we've got a wonderful Italian bread. We're going to use a really good olive oil. I suggest use a really good extra virgin olive oil. This is one of my favorites. It's Windmill Creek out of California. My buddy owns this company. It is absolutely fantastic. And we're going to, of course, use the original dirt. Put this all together, and when you taste this, oh yeah, here we go. All right, we've got 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're gonna use 4 cloves of garlic. And we're gonna put it right through the press, just like that. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of, let's do 1.5, and I like it dirty. And 1 teaspoon of the extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to mix this up really well. There you go. All right, I'm going to add the garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. In with the butter and the garlic, because I forgot to add that. Okay, so we're going to add the butter and the garlic and the olive oil and the original dirt. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of softened butter. And mix really well. This just creates a really nice paste instead of just using the liquid butter. This will go on the bread a lot easier and not completely saturate the bread. And when it cooks, it's going to cook much better, more evenly into the bread. And I almost forgot the Parmesan cheese. So that's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3, what the heck. Let's do 4 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese and mix that up really good. Okay, now we're gonna take the spatula with the mixture and we're gonna put this right on top. That's what it'll go on. And just spread this on really nice. And the smell is fantastic. So we're putting the bread in the oven at 450 degrees between 8 and 12 minutes. All depends upon your oven. All right, this bread just came out perfectly. Now the key with this bread is when I say 8 to 12 minutes, it gets to a point where, like say in the 8th minute, it's still not cooked, keep your eye on it every minute. When it gets to about that 11th minute and it starts to brown, or any point that it starts browning, you really want to keep your eye on it about every 10 seconds because that heat gets to that cheese and it starts changing color. And if you're not careful, you can overcook it. So let's try this. This looks absolutely amazing. Oh man. The garlic comes out immediately in the butter. That hint of dirt through there. So good. I'm telling you, Next time you do Italian food, or you do an Cajun pasta, or some kind of pasta, try this. You're absolutely gonna love it. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, tell all your friends and family all about Todd's Dirt Seasonings. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.